So in today's video, I'm going to share this gorgeous shimmery burgundy eyes paired with gorgeous nude lips for this wedding season. It's a perfect wedding guest makeup look which you can definitely pair with your favorite outfits and with your favorite jewelries. These jewelries are from Voila and I absolutely love how this look turned out, and it's a very wearable, easy to create look. It will be definitely looking gorgeous on all Indian skin tones. So make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So before putting any sort of makeup on your face, you just need to prep your skin. So for prepping my skin today, I am using Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, which is one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. It's a completely water-based moisturizer which contains hyaluronic acid, adds such a nice boost of hydration to your skin. It's suitable for all skin types out there, but if you have oily to combination skin, you are going to definitely love it. It helps in making my skin look plumped and hydrated. Now it's time to prep my lips, for which I'm using Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm in the shade Highline Wine, and you guys know how much I love this lip balm. So my skin is well prepped. As you can see, my lips are prepped as well. Now it's time to do my actual makeup. I'm going to move on to my brows. At first I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing it through my brows to give it a really nice shape. Now for the brows today, I'm using PAC Super Brow Eyebrow Cream in the shade Cedar Cream. So it's basically a kind of pomade, eyebrow pomade sort of product, but it's not completely pomade, guys. It's a cream product, but it sets into a complete smudge proof eyebrow product, which is definitely going to last on your brows for the longest time ever. I love this product. So I'm going to outline my brows now using small strokes. I'm going to fill in my brows with the help of the same product, and the brush I'm using is from PAC as well. It's her 099 eyebrow brush, which is a great eyebrow brush, guys. So I'm just doing the same thing on my left eyebrow as well, and you can see the product is very pigmented, and when it sets, it's not going to budge. Now taking a concealer, I'm going to just clean out the edges. So whenever you are doing any sort of party makeup or festive makeup or makeup for any occasions, you just want your brows to look really bold, lifted, and for this reason you can definitely just clean out the edges using a foundation or a concealer. This helps in just making your brows look really prominent, lifted, and helps also in hiding those baby hairs surrounding your brows. Make sure you blend out the concealer really well. Now taking a spoolie, I'm going to distribute the product really well all over my brows like this, and you can see my brows are looking quite bold, which I absolutely loved. Now it's time to put primer on my face. So primer actually helps in making your makeup sit on your face for a very long time. So primer is really essential whenever you are creating any sort of party makeup looks or looks for occasions. And I'm using this PAC Pore Primer, which is a pore filling primer. Helps in sticking my foundation so well on my face. It also helps in controlling oil production on my face. It's suitable for oily to combination skin types, but I would say if you have dry skin, you can definitely use it because it's not at all drying on the skin. Now another step which I am doing today is that I am adding a layer of strobe cream on my face. So for just doing any kind of party makeup look, you just want your base to look really glowy and nice, for which you can definitely use a strobe cream underneath your foundation. This helps in making your foundation looks really glowy, adds a nice sheen to your face, and this affordable one is a really good option for you. It's by Sugar in the shade Peach Poppin from her Illuminating Moisturizer range, and it's a cheaper alternative of MAC Strobe Cream, which you can definitely try out. And you can see the glow on my face. It's because of the strobe cream which I have applied. I really like it, and it's definitely going to work on brides as well. Now today I'm going to color correct my skin. Since I have got some sort of acne scars going on because of my skin purging, you can see I just need to color correct them. So I'm using a darker shade of concealer. You can use an orange color corrector for this purpose as well, but I found that orange color corrector actually looks really harsh on my skin, so I'm using a darker shade of concealer to hide those imperfections. And you can see using a darker concealer actually helps in hiding those scars really well. So you can definitely apply this trick whenever you are just doing any kind of makeup for special occasions. And with the help of this concealer brush, I'm just blending this out. As you can see, I have applied the concealer surrounding my mouth as well, where I have a little bit of pigmentation going on, just in the hollows of my face where I have some kind of hyperpigmentation, and it has definitely helps in hiding those imperfections really well. But make sure that you set your color correction with the help of any setting powder. I'm using just a little bit of loose setting powder to set my color correction, because if you don't set your color correction, it will be mixing with your foundation and will be making your foundation really orangish or golden. For the foundation today, I'm using one of my favorite foundations of all time. I think it's one of my top favorite foundations, guys. It's by Maybelline. It's her 24-hour Superstay foundation in the shade 310 a Sun Beige. And I would say if you are going to be a bride, guys, this is a foundation you can definitely use because of its coverage, because of its longevity. It's a great drugstore product, and I'm going to blend out my foundation using this Plume Celestial sponge, which is also a very affordable yet very good quality sponge. And you can see this foundation is a complete full coverage. You just don't need a second layer of this foundation. One layer is enough, and it helps in hiding those imperfections really well, and it's super long lasting, guys. So definitely you can use this foundation in this wedding season, and it's going to just last on your face for the longest time ever. I have tried this one out, guys, and I absolutely love this foundation. It looks really flawless on the skin, and it's definitely going to work on all Indian skin tones and all Indian skin types. For the concealer today, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312 Amber. It's a full coverage thick concealer, so I'm just using a little bit of this under my eyes, in the corner of my eyes, and just on the edges of my eyes like this. This helps in just making your eyes look really lifted, guys. I have tried this hack and it really works, and this is a full coverage concealer, so a little goes a long way with this product. It looks really healthy under your eyes. Also, it helps in just priming your eyelids really well, so you can conceal the areas where you have some sort of dark spots going on. At the same time, you can put on the areas where you want to highlight, such as under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, around your mouth, on your chin. Now it's time to set my foundation and my concealer. I'm using one of my favorite loose setting powders, and it's by KAYBEAUTY. It's her HD loose setting powder in the shade 04 Latte. And I'm going to set my concealer at first. I'm putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my eyelids. Then whatever product will be left on the brush, I'm going to apply it on my whole face. I have not taken any extra product. I have applied whatever product left on the brush. So you can see my base is looking quite flawless. Now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'm using IMAGIC 16 color eyeshadow palette, a very pretty affordable eyeshadow palette, guys, perfect for brides. It's of such a good quality. At first I'm taking this light brown shade having beige undertone, and with the help of this fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply it on all over my crease like this, slowly building up the color and blending it really nicely. Now taking this light mauve sort of shade, basically a light pink shade, and with the help of this tapered blending brush, I'm going to apply it just in my lower crease. As you can see, now using blending motion, I'm going to blend out with my transition color really well, so that it looks nice and well blended and helps in creating a very nice gradient as well. This is a very pretty deep berry kind of pink from the palette, and with the help of this small fluffy kind of buffing crease brush, I'm going to apply it just in the outer corner of my eyes and drag it towards my crease in order to blend everything well. And you can see this also helps in creating such a nice gradient on my eyes, which I absolutely love. You can just follow this steps and you can easily create this eye look, guys. It's very easy to create. So I'm just blending this out, as you can see, and slowly dragging it towards my crease to blend it with my transition color. Taking that light beige shade having lots of browns in it, I'm going to blend out the edges again so that there is no harsh lines. I'm using this fluffy blending brush from PORE, but I'm just blending it really well, guys. And now this is a deep burgundy chocolate kind of shade, and with the help of this small pencil brush, I'm going to concentrate it just in the outer corner of my eyes and create a kind of V over there like this. As you can see, I'm slowly depositing the color. Now using small blending motion, I'm going to just drag it towards my crease and create a little bit of depth over there. So you can see I'm just taking in my crease and blending it really well with that previous berry kind of shade, so that it helps in creating a nicer depth in the outer corner of my eyes. Taking that mauve shade again, and with the help of that same tapered blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges so that there is no harsh lines. Using my beauty sponge again on the edge of my eyes to make everything look nice and flawless. Using this cream eyeshadow from the palette, guys. It's a very pretty shimmery burgundy shade. It's a cream eyeshadow, so I'm using my fingers to apply this on all over my eyelid, and it's so pigmented. This palette is a gem, guys. You can definitely try this one out. Taking that berry shade, berry pink shade, I'm going to just apply it on the edges where I have put that shimmery burgundy shade, and blend it really well so that everything looks nice and there is no harshness going on. And you can see this eye look is very easy to create, guys. You just need to follow the following steps. Now for the kajal, today I'm using Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense kajal in the shade Blackout. The reason I have used this kajal is because of its longevity. It's a complete smudge proof, budge proof kajal, guys. It's so long lasting. Even if you just cry, it's not going to budge. It's so long lasting. I absolutely love it. Taking that light beige shade, and with the help of that same pencil brush, I'm going to just smoke out that kohl which I have applied on my lower lash line to add a little bit of drama to my eyes, followed by that light mauve shade. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, basically on the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line, to just make it similar to my lid color. It helps in creating a very nice kind of shadowy gradient kind of look on my lower lash line as well. Taking that deep chocolate brown shade, I'm going to apply it just in the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line. And taking that shimmery burgundy shade from the palette, I'm going to apply it in the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line. Now for the liner today, I am using Lakme Iconic Eyeliner, which I have purchased recently, guys. And I am just creating a very nice winged eyeliner with this liner, and I'm so surprised after using this, guys. It's so black, as you can see, and it's a great eyeliner, guys. It's not going to budge even if you just rub this eyeliner with water. It's a complete waterproof, budge proof eyeliner. It's so affordable. It settles into a kind of semi matte finish with a little bit of sheen in it, and I really like it, guys. You can definitely try this one out, guys. It's so affordable. For the mascara, I'm using my all-time favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, because I love this mascara. It helps in adding those nice volume to my lashes, also helps in lengthening my lashes so well. Perfect for occasions, festivals, and if you are going to be a bride, guys, this is the mascara which you can definitely try out. It's a great mascara. So since it's a party makeup look, I'm going to add these a pair of lashes, my favorite style of lashes of all time, Pack Mink eyelash in number M75. And you can see this is how the final eye look turned out. I'm really happy with the finished look. So my base makeup is done, eyes are done. Now it's time to add some warmth to my face, for which I need to contour my face, and I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to just apply this contouring product just under my cheekbones, on my jawline, on my forehead, on the usual areas where I just need to add those artificial shadows so that my face looks really slimmer, structured. Whenever you are just doing any kind of party makeup look, guys, make sure that you contour your nose a little bit. This helps in making your nose look really sharp and defined and lifted, which I definitely enjoy. Now to add a little bit of bronziness to my skin, I'm using this Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer, which I absolutely love. I love the smell of this particular product, guys. It helps in adding those kind of sun-kissed glow to your face. So I'm just basically applying this bronzer on the outer perimeters of my face. This is a step which you can definitely skip, but I really love this kind of glowy, sun-kissed look. Adding a lot of warmth to my face actually makes my face look really nice and structured, which I definitely enjoy. So for the blush, I'm using the KAYBEAUTY Glam On a Blush Duo in the shade number 03, and it is a great blush, guys. It contains 2 shades of blushes, and I'm mixing these 2 shades, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my face. This is a matte blush, and it has got a little bit of sheen to it, which helps in adding such a nice glow on your face. Perfect for special occasions when you want your cheeks to look really glowy and nice. This is a blush which you can definitely apply. It looks really healthy on the skin. I really love the formula as well. So since I have overdone my blushes, I'm just running my damp beauty sponge on my cheeks to just tone it down, and you can definitely apply this hack, and you can see this is how my blushed cheeks looks like. I really love this blush from KIRO Beauty. So now I'm going to take my setting spray and I'm going to just set my face. I'm using this pack fixation makeup setting spray, and on my damp skin I'm going to apply my highlighter. So using a highlighter on your damp skin actually makes your highlighter look really beaming, really blinding on the skin. You can see the effect. I'm using this NYKAA highlighting and illuminating duo in the shade 24K Glam, and I have mixed the 2 shades of the highlighter which is available in the kit, and I'm just applying it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, forehead, on my cupid's bow, on my nose. And you can apply this hack, guys. Using highlighter on your damp skin makes a lot of difference. If you want that kind of very nice glowy illuminating look, you can just apply this trick. I have also highlighted the inner corner of my eyes and also highlighted my brow bone with help of the same product, and you can see my face is looking really glowy. For the lipstick today, I'm using Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Hot Toddy, and it actually smells like hot toddy. So this is from her limited edition a Christmas lip kit set, and I actually got 2 shades from the kit, and I got it from an Insta page which I'm going to link in the description box. The shade is amazing, guys. It's such a pretty deep peachy nude shade having lots of browns in it. Looks amazing on all Indian skin tones. If you can get your hands on this particular shade, Hot Toddy, just give this one a shot, guys. It's so comfortable to wear. One of the prettiest lip shades that I have used till date. It looks so stunning. I'm just setting my face one more time to make everything looks really seamless and nice. I have added this gorgeous Banarasi, a pink dupatta, and added my favorite jewelry pieces from Voila. And I really like how this look turned out. It's very easy to create, guys, and it's definitely going to work on all and with most of your outfits, so you can definitely try this one out. So this is a very stunning wearable wedding guest makeup look, guys, which you can definitely try out. It's very easy to create. I hope you really like this video. Make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. A lot of amazing contents are on its way. Stay tuned. I love you so much. Bye, guys.